Now, here's the thing. I'm probably not allowed to have a favourite door here at Fit Show. Were I allowed to have one, however, this would probably be one of them. I'm here at the Security Doors factory, and if I open this grand opening, I wish I had a house large enough for this door to work. Here is Karolis, who is director here at Security Doors Factory. Thank you very much for joining us here at the show. Just talk me through this work of art that is this door.
Well, it's one of the kinds, definitely bespoke security door, which is based on pivot door range. The steel structure, which is up here, it's all through reinforced and insulated, and then we eventually clad those doors with engineered timber panels. Yep. So these, we can make any designs, any shapes, sky's the limit.
We'll have a look at a cross-section of one of your doors in just a moment, but just chat us through what's going on here, because we've got the kind of like multi-point lock system here. We've got some tech happening here as well. Right. Talk us through that.
So this particular door has a 5 motorized lock. So what that lock does, once you close the door, it locks itself. And once you give a signal with this biometric system, it opens up. This is really smart stuff. It's, best in the world, eventually.
Now, you guys are based in the UK, down in the south of the UK, and you make, is it mainly bespoke doors that you make? How's your business work?
Yes, that's correct. We make bespoke, made-to-measure doors. We have a range of those doors, and eventually every single door is made to measure for and sold to that particular client.
Let's have another look. Well, let's have a look at another one of your doors here. Yes. I suggest actually we go around the front first of all to get the kind of a full impact here. Now, where might a customer speccing this door typically live? What's the kind of setting, the context for this kind of door, would you say?
Downing Street 10. That's a central London door, to be honest.
Just missing the number 10 above there.
Yeah, that's correct. Those doors, they do go, because we can make replicas, and in London, especially in central London, the listed buildings, we have to replicate those like for like. So this is where they go.
But with the heightened security that I presume a property of this grandeur would need, so you've got the best of the looks and indeed of the security.
Correct. So we call it beautiful security. Beautiful security doesn't need to be ugly. It's just beautiful.
Beautiful security. Let's wander through this beautiful security door. Well, let's go around the other side, because there we go. And again, we've got multi-point locking here as well, very similar. I rather like this design on the inside. Now, I don't know whether that's authentic or not, but it feels as though you've got this combination of the classic on the outside, classic on the inside, but with this feels like a modern twist. Exactly.
It is a modern twist, yeah, that's correct. We started to make those about 4 years ago, and that is what we call, with a modern twist design.
I like that. Let's just, we won't interrupt the conversation that's taking place there, but if we can take a look over at that door where there's a cross-section taking place for it right now. This really illustrates what you were talking about the kind of main body of the door, and then how you case it, how you put all the beautiful stuff on the outside to make it both secure and beautiful.
So every single door we make, it's the door core, it's made from reinforced folded steel, all welded together to kind of make a immaculate security door structure. The door set includes L-shaped steel frame, and then eventually we clad that door structure with engineered timber panels. So these are made from single boards, and we use CNC technology to carve all of those lovely designs, and we then just spray with any color of your choice. This is how they're made eventually. This is how they're made.
And finally, yes, let's wander over to this window as well. You've got a lovely sash window here. Just to say, even though you are security doors companies, you don't just do doors.
No, windows as well. So windows, again, these are increased security windows. Yep. This particular one is a sash window, but it doesn't look like just a steel window. It is cladded again with engineered timber panels, but behind there is a steel structure to give all of those security benefits.
I tell you what, you give this just a little tap, and you know that is solid. There's proper security, but because it's a sash, you can pull that up and down very easily. just as you would hope. Karolis, thank you very much for chatting us through your stand here. I'm really, really impressed by the doors, as I'm sure visitors would be. Before we go, how has the show been for you so far, you know, in terms of the quality of the conversations that you're hoping to have? You've been able to have them, all of that good stuff?
It's actually a good start, I can say. It's a really good start, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be coming back again. I mean, the customers, they're amazing, you know, and we're going to definitely be coming back here.
It's really good to hear, Karolis. Thank you very much indeed for joining us here on Fit Show TV.
Thank you.
Cheers.